I don't know if I'm posting any of this shit, but I got this dump trailer. I do junk removal and rent it out and do a bunch of small shit on the side. Keep me busy during summer. Some bricks I took care of the other day, but I got a small little dirt job to go take care of. Literally gonna take probably take me longer to get there than it will to do the actual job. Figured maybe I'd do a little vlog. It's fucking gay as fuck, but got the seat covers put in a while back, a couple days ago. Looking good. Pretty queer. Just what I like. So this is a little pile. Two little piles technically. Shouldn't take me too long. Just gonna put it in a wheelbarrow, haul it up, be in and out. It took me about 45 minutes, a little longer than I expected because I couldn't ramp the wheelbarrow up the thing, so I just kind of had to hand load it, but I think I got it pretty good. Raked it up to the best I could. A little dirt on the ground, ain't worried about that. Wash away with the rain, so looks good. We out.
It's dirty, man. I'm scared.
I just debone. I don't even debone. Fuck that. I just make sausage out of it.
Oh, hold on.
Keep it level.
Yeah. You don't fry that.
Yeah, fried liver's nasty. No.
Sure. Fucking hammer, dude. Slime knows exactly what he's doing. He's good with playing with dick.
Fucking shreds.
Fuck the other liver.
Nah, bro, you gotta have both. Watch.
It's still alive. Still alive.
You ever seen the inside?
Throw that on the grill just like that.
Like this shit in there.
From this moment on, you'll always
We'll leave it like that. You ain't get on right up?
I'm gonna light the bedroom candle.
As usual, this motherfucker right here ain't doing shit to help. Hey, little warm. Check them out. What you got right there?
We got some Southern Deer processing sausage. Check them out. We also got some 7 steak. Got that a little gravy going on. Since I can't do shit else, so I'm going to be the cook tonight.
Feeling no distance.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Got a little gravy going on there.
Look at that fucking badass rig right there, son.
Me?
No. No. 7:30. Tan Man retard's fucking late. Made us late this morning. So let's go and park this fucking white ass boat somewhere so we can fucking hunt these little squirrels. Look at him. What he's doing. Thinks he knows what he's doing with all that sitcom. Look at him.
Once we had built your video, then what are you doing?
I want to be like them on that video we were looking at last time. We can't get rich.
We're going fuck up the mallards right now. It's 9:45 in the morning. About to limit out right here. You seen a duck when you were caught?
Think about that, Tanner.
Think about what?
That
What?
just anything, man.
Oh, we're waiting for the late flight after the ducks eat lunch. We gonna smoke them.
The ducks fly late around here, bro.
I don't know. I'm tired.
6 up.
I say whenever we start seeing ducks, we pack up.
So I don't know where this is gonna fall, because I might not post it. I might post it. I got nothing else to post really. But doing my brakes, because my brakes have been fucked for a long time, and I didn't realize how bad they were until the other day. I was driving this thing because I had to drive it. I couldn't use my Duramax, and the brakes were just spitting fucking brake fluid out of this side on the driver's side. So I knew it was pretty fucked, but I didn't realize it was that bad. Obviously, my caliper didn't last too long. Complete caliper failure, I guess. Because the other side, I mean, it really hadn't been that long since I changed my brakes. The other side is not horrible. I got a good bit of thickness on each side. The pads are fucking half decent, maybe about half. Take the rims off, clean them up. This one is the one that was on that driver's side that brake dust had been hitting it for the longest time, so it's kind of fucked. If you scrub it with something, if you just keep cleaning it, it comes off. But she needs a new seat cushion or seat leather. She's still good, baby. Still got the 15. Still got the sunroof. Everything still works. Power mirrors. Heated seats. Heated seats in this 2006 work. And in my 2018 L5P, they do not work. Cooled seats work in my L5P. Heated seats don't.